Going on, guys? As I said, I'm gonna start working on this car. It's at my dad's house. It's in the back of his garage. So I'm gonna show you the car now. Don't get discouraged. Obviously, I said the wheels are sold. The front lip has already been sold. Stuff has been removed and put in storage. Spoiler is off, but here it is, untouched. So ready for this? Alright, so there it is. You can tell it's the same car by the license plate. You can see it has 191 style taillight on there. It's because I have the other one. I got to do some fixing to it. I'm actually going to remove that and take it with me home. You can see it's just been sitting here. So it's been sitting for years. No front lip right there, but it's okay. That's why this is. Oh yeah, and there's my BMW side markers. But yeah, there it is, looking all sad and pathetic. What I haven't told you guys in the last video is that I don't know if this is open at the moment. There's no engine. So this is my biggest job. I removed everything and I painted in here. It's dirty, but I went with a wrinkled black. But everything is just hanging in here. So this is going to be one of the biggest jobs, is to put all this stuff back. So before I put a new engine in there. So the plan for today is, let's show you my interior full of stuff. There's the red door card still, and I did put sound deadening on my whole interior, and I used the last. It's full of stuff. I'll get it cleaned out and get a better video for you guys. But as you can see, I have the Celica steering wheel for now. I might change that. I'm not even sure yet. So the goal for today is move the car from here to here, put it on 4 jack stands, remove all 4 coilovers, remove all the suspension front and back. I'm talking about like control arms and the rear subframe. I'm not sure how far I'm going to go in the front with that. And then take off that 94 taillight. And after I take all that stuff off, I'm going to take it all home to my house. And I'm going to be repainting, sanding parts, and freshening stuff up. So next weekend, I'm going to come back, put all the parts back on, put it back on its wheels, and then we could move it from here to a better spot. And keep in mind, the drive from here to my dad's house is 4 hours. I live 4 hours away from him, so it's not that easy for me to come here every weekend, but I will do my best, and we'll see what happens. Enjoy. Alright, so it's finally on 4 jack stands, sitting in the air, pretty level. So now I'm going to get all the wheels off, just pretty much start removing parts. I'm sitting for, I don't even remember anymore, 2 years, maybe 2.5. Everything's kind of rusty and dirty, so that's why I'm going to be removing all 4 coilovers and most of the suspension stuff in the back. Same thing here. Guess these ones are not as bad as the front, but still. So I'm going to be removing all this stuff as much as I can. The subframe, and take as much of it home as I can and sand it all down, paint it, so it looks all good, because I don't want to have to do this again later after the engine goes in. So this is all prep work. So now let's get these coilovers. But before we get to the coilovers, I want to show you guys something that every MR2 owner should have on the front hood, or front trunk, whatever it's called. Watch this. Gas shocks. Definitely and highly recommend them. Makes life a lot easier. And it looks better. Alright, so let's get these coilovers out. Don't take them all out. Leave one in so when you're taking this out it doesn't drop down. Just loosen it, but don't take it out. So now we got to get these 2 out. These are 19 mil. Just like I said, so you don't lose bolts and whatever, just put them back. So I'll put these back. Caliper ones. I'm just gonna let this rest here. It's not going anywhere. Rotor's gonna sit under the car over there. And I just gotta repeat the process on the other side. Alright, so the back, same concept. I already have a lot of my end links removed. I never put them back. So just Alright, so I didn't film the rest of this, but I took all that out. Obviously the coilovers. I took the hub, everything came out. Taking everything home, like I was saying, to refresh it. I did the same thing on the other side. You can see right here. So there's all the stuff I took out so far. So now I'm gonna get the subframe out. Before you do that, just a tip for you guys: put a jack stand under there, a piece of wood or something, and then I took all the big bolts that sit right there. There's 2 on this side, there's 2 on the other side. So that got that out. So now we're gonna try to lower it. It's pretty heavy, so don't try to hold it in your hand. Oh, and there it goes. There it is. But yeah, so I'm taking this home as well. Let's see if I can pull this out. There it is. So there it is. So I'm taking that home. Pretty much everything you see, except the flashlight and the wheel. Everything you see here is going to be getting painted. I'm going to be changing the bearings on here, all the bushings that I haven't done yet. You can see some of the red ones there. I've already changed them. Those polyurethane ones I was talking about. Same ones here and there. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do at home this week. We're going to freshen up all this stuff. So that way, I'm mainly focusing on the back for now, because once you put the engine back there, you can't really remove the subframe and all that. It's just not smart, I guess, because then the engine sits on that, obviously, right there on the engine mount. So you don't want to do that then, so I'm going to do it now. I'm also planning to respray in here with that, whatever it's called, that new fresh black stuff right there, so it doesn't rust or anything like that. So I'll be doing all that on all 4 corners, or maybe just the backs. I'm not even sure for yet. But yeah, so I got some work done. Let's see what else I can get done today. So I obviously wrapped up all the parts to take them home, because, you know, we're here on the family rig, so I can't get it all messy and dirty. But what I also took right there is my passenger side taillight, which is the 94 style. That one on that side is actually at my house, because it needs some repair work. And then what I want to do is I want to sand them both down and re-clear them. So I'm going to be doing that as well. And I'll obviously have a video for you guys with that. But yeah, that's how everything's going to sit and wait for me till next week. On my tools, ready to go. And also, excuse my sniffling. It's the weather. Kind of sucks here. It's cold. But actually, I have a Tom's front bumper that I don't think I'll be putting on the car. I got it super cheap. I am going to have it repainted to match the paint when I paint the whole car, just in case I want to switch bumpers back and forth. I'm actually going to have a couple different spoilers and stuff as well, so that way later on in life, whenever I feel like changing it up a bit, I'll just change them out. I don't have to get stuff repainted, so I'm going to have everything painted at once. But there she is. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, comment if you see something that I did that you didn't like. Let me know. If you saw something that I did that you did like, let me know. Definitely recommend one of these for anybody and everybody. Very good to have. It's very thick, it's very full of information, and it helps with doing all this step by step. What's up? So there's the car that she's going to be left for, I don't know, a week. Yeah, till next weekend. There you go. You guys can have a better view of that. So that's it for today. I know it's not much, but you know, it's a step ahead in the right direction. And again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. It's gonna get fun, I promise you guys. It's gonna get interesting as well. And hope you follow me along for this journey.